We've got mandarin oranges, a lemon with some limes, kiwis,
Plums.
some eggs, plums, some jumbo blueberries, strawberries, and where did you find these tomatoes?
Those are fresh out of my garden.
Do you think they're a little overdone?
Well, yeah, I mean, it's November, so yeah.
And then over at our Waterjet, we've set up the water-only nozzle. We've got a track running down here with our high-speed camera set up. We're gonna see if we can get some cool shots of that stuff being cut in half and thrown around by a water jet.
Fruit ninja with a water jet.
The oranges were coming in and kind of just going down, so we've lowered this, made it flat, and then Mitchell's gonna flick it from a safe distance.
Very safe.
And we'll see if we can get it more horizontal through it. Maybe we can get some better looking shots. One last adjustment, and I think we found the sweet spot. That last one, we were only doing about half pressure, about 20, 30,000 PSI instead of 60. And it looks like it doesn't throw the orange down as quickly, so you get to see it for a little bit longer, and it kind of spun it. So I think we're gonna do the rest of them at a lower pressure, and I think it'll work. I don't think I've ever known what the inside of a raw blueberry looked like. I always thought they were just like blue all the way through.
The more you know.
Because they're really hard, so as soon as it hits that water jet, it's not going to cut through it as easily. It's going to throw it down.
You get the elbow in there.
What technique are you using?
This is shiatsu massage.
Softening it right up.
Oh yeah, nice and squishy.
Water only, low pressure. It didn't even break the egg.
It looks like it does when you're watching it, but then
Because it
when you
happens
play
so
it back in
fast.
slow motion.
It just spins it, and it doesn't break until it hits the ground. High pressure?
Yeah. Gotta see if the egg will survive if it's wrapped in flex tape.
Since flex tape is waterproof, this should
Keep everything in.
You okay?
Great, how are you? I cut it too short.
You can't pull it off now.
But it creates a super strong watertight seal, so the inside is completely dry.
I think we now have definitive proof that flex tape is not waterproof,
Or invincible.
like we previously thought. You gonna eat that?
If this video gets 2 million views, I'll eat it. Take the flex tape out. I'm not eating flex tape. That's where I draw the line.
You'll eat everything in there except for the flex tape. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Go ahead and leave a comment of the timestamp of your favorite slow motion shot, and whoever first guesses our favorite one, we will send them a box filled with stuff we've cut.
Just random stuff, flat rate box filled with goodies.
We will randomly pick stuff off this shelf of things we've cut, probably not the concrete star, and send it to you.
Comment that timestamp, you'll get some good stuff. Totally worth it.
Yeah.
But probably maybe not.